Hey everyone, welcome to NextEra Shop. If you're looking to improve your focus, reduce stress, and bring more peace into your life, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm talking about the amazing benefits of meditation and how it can transform your daily routine. And the best part? Anyone can do it, even if you've never tried it before. So make sure to stick around till the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. What is meditation, you ask? Well, meditation is an ancient practice that helps train your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. It's like a workout for your brain. People have been practicing meditation for thousands of years for mental clarity, emotional balance, and spiritual growth. But you don't need to be a monk to do it. Meditation is for everyone. Now let's dive into the powerful benefits of meditation and why you should start today. First up, it reduces stress and anxiety. Meditation helps lower cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress. Studies show that even a few minutes of meditation a day can significantly reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Next, it improves focus and concentration. If you find yourself easily distracted, meditation can help. It strengthens your attention span and increases productivity. It also enhances emotional well-being. Meditation helps you develop mindfulness, making you more aware of your thoughts and emotions. Over time, it promotes happiness and emotional balance. Struggling with sleep? Meditation can help quiet the mind, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep longer. Plus, it boosts self-awareness. Meditation encourages self-reflection and helps you develop a deeper understanding of yourself, leading to personal growth and self-acceptance. And it supports physical health. Studies suggest meditation can lower blood pressure, improve heart health, and even boost your immune system. So, how do you get started? It's super simple. Here's what you can do today. Find a quiet space. Choose a peaceful environment with minimal distractions. Sit comfortably. You can sit cross-legged on the floor or in a chair with your back straight. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Take slow, deep breaths and observe your breathing. Start small. Begin with just 5 minutes a day and gradually increase as you get comfortable. Use a guided meditation. Apps like Headspace, Calm, or YouTube videos can be really helpful for beginners. And that's it. Meditation is one of the simplest yet most powerful habits you can build for a healthier mind and body. Remember, consistency is key. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. Have you tried meditation before? What's your experience like? And don't forget to subscribe for more content on self-improvement and wellness. See you in the next video.